If you have been scrolling through countless videos about making money with Canva and still feel stuck, confused, or overwhelmed, don't worry, you are not alone. But today, you are in the right place. In this video, we are going beyond the usual tips and giving you the real Canva services that will work and make you money. But first, let me explain why choose Canva Services as your way to make money online. Why not go for other popular methods like starting a YouTube channel or a blog? Let's break it down. Providing Canva Services is like selling a product. You create something valuable and list it for people to buy. It's that simple. The best part is that you don't have to worry about where the buyer will come from. You can list your Canva Services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even Etsy, which already have millions of potential clients browsing for services just like yours. It's a crowded marketplace, but that's exactly what you want because the clients are already there waiting. This is a big reason why offering Canva services is so much more doable than others methods like starting a YouTube channel or a blog. Don't get me wrong, those are great options, but they require you to build an audience, nurture them, and maybe wait for years before you see your first sales. With Canva services, you are essentially skipping the long game. You can start today, and in a few days or weeks, you might already land your first clients. It's achievable and realistic, even if you are just getting started. The digital world is constantly shifting, and the strategies that worked last year could be outdated tomorrow. It's time to stay ahead and adapt to what next. Let's stay one step ahead and make sure you are not just using Canva, but actually turning it into a profitable tool for your future. Here's what I've covered in today's video. Profitable Canva services, why these methods are set to succeed in the new coming year, how to position yourself for this trend, step-by-step actions to get started even if you are brand new. These are not just random ideas. Every method I'm sharing is based on upcoming trends, what people will want, so stick around because I'm going to break down all the possible ways for you to make money with Canva service. Now you might be thinking, making money with Canva sounds complicated, but here's the truth. It's actually one of the most beginner-friendly tools out there. The best part, you don't need to be a professional designer or have any previous experience. Canva easy drag and drop design tools make it simple for everyone to create stunning visual. Whether you are a complete beginner or have some design experience, by the end of this video, you will have a clear plan to turn your Canva skill into a real money-making business. Whether you want to start a side hustle or go full-time, these strategies will help you succeed in the next new year. Before we jump in, hit that subscribe button for more tips on making money online with powerful tools like Canva. Now, let's dive into profitable ways to make money online with Canva services. Content creator, social media design. As you look ahead to next year, one of the fastest growing industry is the creator economy. More and more people are turning to content creators as their main source of income. Whether it's YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or even blogs, everyone is waiting for attention. But with this growth comes competitions and the needs to stand out visually. That's where you can come in as a social media designer. Creators are going to need eye-catching professional-looking graphics to build their brands and grow their audience. Here's the key. As AI-generated content floods the internet, human design visual will become even more valuable. Creators will need unique custom design that connect with their audience on a personal level, something AI can't fully replicate. This opens up a massive opportunity designers like you to offer something authentic and creative in the sea of automated content. By focusing on creating graphics for content creators, you will be tapping into one of the most in-demand markets of next few years. So if you are skilled with Canva, this is your chance to capitalize on the demand and grow your business as a social media designer for creators. Anyway, if you are a beginner, you still can tap into this due to Canva is super easy to use. So as long as you are willing to learn, there's nothing can stop you. Small business branding specialists. The pandemic over the last few years years drastically accelerate the digital transformations. And with each passing years, we are going to see even more and more small businesses thriving online. This surge in new businesses means one thing: competition is fierce and branding is more important than ever. As a small business branding specialist, you can step in and provide affordable, high-quality branding solutions. Many of these businesses don't have the budget for big design agency, but they still need professional logo, social media kits, business card, and more to stand out in the crowded marketplace. That's where Canva becomes your secret weapon. Canva now gives you the tools to create stunning branding package that look professional while still being affordable for small business owners. You can offer comprehensive branding solutions at competitive price. This is a huge opportunity for you to create a profitable business while helping small businesses to grow theirs in the new coming years. E-commerce product listing enhancer. By next year, global e-commerce sales are projected to hit a staggering $7.4 trillion USD. With these explosions in online shopping, competitions on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and others will be tough than ever. That's where you come in as an e-commerce product listing enhancer. In this crowded marketplace, high-value visuals are going to be the key to standing out. Shoppers are drawn to projects that not only have great reviews, but also look professional and appealing. If your listing looks sloppy or unprofessional, you risk losing potential customers no matter how good your product is. And with more people shopping on mobile device, visually engaging products information will be critical. Canva tools allow you to create eye-catching product image, infographics, and even comparisons charts that help customers quickly understand the value of the product while fitting perfectly on a mobile screen. By offering product listing enhancements, you can help e-commerce sellers improve their listing, boost sales, and stand out in these highly competitive markets. This is a service that only to grow in demand as the e-commerce continue to dominate. Online course visual aid creators. E-learning market is projected to reach an incredible $325 billion USD as more people turn to online courses to learn new skills. One thing is clear: visual learning is becoming more important than ever. That's where you, as an online course visual aids creator, can really make an impact. With Canva's expanding features including animations and interactivity tools, you will be able to create engaging course materials that brings lessons to life. From animated slides to interactive quiz, the possibilities are endless. And here, another key trend to watch: the rise of micro-learning. More and more people are seeking easily digestible content that fits into their busy schedule. This means there are going to be a growing demand for visually appearing short-form educational content. Think of infographics, quick tutorials, and visual summaries. By helping online educators and course creators make their materials more engaging and visually effective, you can tap into this booming market and build a profitable business as an online course visual aids creator. Podcast marketing graphic designer. The podcast industry is expected to grow into a massive $60 billion USD market. As more podcasts pop up, competitor for listener will be fierce. That's where you can step in as a podcast marketing graphic designer. Here's why this role is so important. Podcasts aren't just audio anymore. Video podcasts are becoming more popular, especially on platforms like YouTube, where thumbnails design are crucial for grabbing attentions. Without eye-catching visual, even the best podcasts could get lost in the crowd. On top of that, podcast discovery is becoming increasingly visual. Unique cover art, branded social media graphics, and promotion image are going to be essential for podcasters who want to stand out and grow their audience. Canva gives you all the tools you need to create stunning visuals that make podcasts pop and gets noticed. So if you got an eye for design and love podcasts, this is your chance to capitalize on a booming industry by helping podcasters level up their branding and promotions with top-notch graphics. Fitness coach visual content creators. The global fitness app market is projected to hit $15.5 billion USD by next year, which means online fitness coaches will be facing more competitive than ever. That's where you come in as a fitness coach visual content creators. As more people turn to home workout, the demand for clear, visually appealing workshop and nutrition guides is skyrocketing. skyrocketing. Coaches need well-designed visual to keep their clients motivated, engaged, and on track. With Canva, you can create everything from workout plans to meal prep guides that are both informative and easy on the eye. Now that you have got blooming Canva service for the coming years, you might be thinking, but I'm just beginner. How do I even start offering this service? Don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm about to break down exactly how you can kickstart your Canva service business step by step. Here's the 5 simple ways to get started. Number 1, choose your niche. Don't try to do it all at once. Pick one Canva service that interested you the most. Specialize, make it easier to stand out. Number 2, build a portfolio. Even if you are just starting out, you can create mocks design to showcase your skill. Use Canva to create a few samples that highlights the type of service you will offer. Post them on your website or social media profile. Number 3, join freelance platform. Sign up on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. These platforms have tons of clients looking for designers, and it's a great way to get your first few paying clients and build your reputations. Number 4, offer free or discount work. When starting, offering free or discount service in exchange for testimonials can help you build credibility. Reach out to small businesses or influencers who might need design help and offer your service at a low cost or for free initially. Number 5, promote on social media. Share your Canva designs on social platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, or LinkedIn. Use relevant hashtags and post consistently to attract potential clients who are looking for design service. If you need more details, you can refer to my video, Make Money on Fiverr with Canva Design That Sell, where I cover this step in much more details. By following this step, you will be on your way building a profitable Canva service business even as a beginner. Now, I know there's a lot to remember. That's why I've created something special for you. I've put together a free downloadable checklist that includes all these action steps plus extra tips and resources for each method. To get your hands on these valuable resources, just click the link in the descriptions below. This checklist is your roadmap to starting your Canva money-making journey. It breaks down each method into bite-sized, actionable tasks so you can start making progress today. Remember, the key to success is taking that first step. So download the checklist, choose the method that excited you the most, complete that action steps today.
By the way, if you are serious about turning your Canva skills into a money-making YouTube channel, I've got something exciting for you. My new course, How to Make Money Online with Canva on YouTube, is launching on January 1st, 2025. But here's the good news. Right now is the pre-launch and you can grab an exclusive super deal before the full release. Just click the link in the descriptions below to get all the details and lock your spot. Don't miss this chance to start your YouTube journey with Canva today.
Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these methods are you most exciting to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you already started making money with Canva, share your tips to inspire others in our communities.